Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to start a new topic, Anakruketo. Anakruketo. The Kruketo is an island. Kruketo. Kruketo is an island in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. There is an island in Indonesia named Kruketo, and it is situated in between Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. It is known for its volcano which erupts regularly. जहाँ पे volcano regularly erupt होते हैं वो place है Anakruketo. Okay, now you know what is volcano. There is no need to tell you. Volcano in geography you have so many times you have learned what is volcano. So volcano is it is a crack or opening in the earth's crust. अर्थ के क्रस्ट में ओपनिंग होती है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं volcano. So what is volcano? A volcano is a crack or opening in the earth's crust. There is a hot molten rock near the earth's center. Hot molten rock near the earth's center. Sometimes it rises the surface of the earth through such a crack or opening and flows out. बाहर फ्लो होते हैं. कभी कभी क्या होता है? It rises to the surface of the earth through the opening or through the crack and flows it out. When this happens, we say that volcano has erupted. Okay. So many times the geography ma'am has given you the activity that's eruption of volcano. So you are making volcanoes and you are doing that volcano eruption. Okay, process. Okay. So a volcano eruption happens on a tremendous scale. Volcano eruption happens at a tremendous scale. Thick, dark clouds and smoke rise from the opening. Okay. After the eruption, whenever the volcano erupts, the thick, dark clouds of smoke rise high from the opening and spread in the sky. So see the picture of the volcano. So see this like this. Okay. And it is spreading in the sky. Big, glowing, burning chunks of rock, burning chunks of rock and red hot lava are thrown out of the crack in the earth. Very hot mud and ash are also thrown out. Mud, matti, ash, rock, okay, thrown out. A great volcanic eruption can change the landforms in an area. Due to the volcanic eruption, there is a change in the landforms in the area. Volcanoes are popularly classified into 3 categories. See, volcanoes are classified into 3 categories. What are the 3 categories? Active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, extinct volcanoes. 3 types of volcanoes are, so I am writing on the board, active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, and extinct volcanoes. Classified into 3 types. First is the active volcano. Active volcano. Second is dormant volcanoes. Dormant volcano. And third is extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes. These are the 3 types of volcanoes. volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. Let's see what is meant by all three. Okay. So active volcano erupt regularly, हमेशा erupt होते रहता है. That is the active, हमेशा active रहने वाला active volcano. So active volcano which erupts regularly. Dormant volcanoes means temporarily inactive, कुछ देर के लिए inactive, temporarily inactive, or in a deep sleep. We find information about the eruption of these volcanoes in the history, but now they are quiet. बहुत कम है. Dormant. We found the history. We found the volcanoes erupted. This type of volcano erupted, dormant volcano in the history, but nowadays these are quiet. Extinct volcanoes. Now geographers can guess by looking at the rock formation. जो geography की study करते हैं उन्हें geographers, the person who studies geography, so that they are called geographers. So geographers can guess by looking at the rock formation that they used to erupt long ago, but there is no record of it in the history. They erupt long ago, but there is no record in the history. An extinct volcano is unlikely to erupt again. An extinct volcano is unlikely to erupt again. Now, Krakatoa is an active volcano. Krakatoa, this is the active volcano. It has erupted many times, causing great disasters. So many times this Krakatoa erupted and caused the great disaster. The worst of the eruptions took place in August 1883. August 1883 में सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा worst eruption हुआ था. The volcano erupted with such a loud boom that it was heard more than 3,500 kilometers away in the Australia. See, इतना बड़ा आवाज था कि वो 3,500 किलोमीटर दूर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सुनाई दिया. So such a loud boom of the volcano. Okay, happened in August 1883. It is believed to be loudest sound that man has ever heard. It is the loudest sound that man has ever heard. The island, which was a volcanic mountain, collapsed on itself. The dust that was thrown up in the eruption rose to about 80 kilometers in the sky. 80 kilometers in the sky. It spread in the sky around the world and later settled in different parts of the world thousands of kilometers away. Okay. It spread in the sky around the world and later settled in different parts of the world thousands of kilometers away. So such a loud boom of such a loud eruption, we can say. Now, due to the eruption, it caused giant waves or tsunamis in the sea near the island. Island में tsunami हो गया. Okay. About 165 villages and towns were destroyed due to the eruption and the tsunamis. See, such a big disaster. Near about 165 villages and towns are also destroyed due to the eruption and the tsunami. The eruption destroyed 2/3 of the island of Krakatoa. Krakatoa जो island वो 2/3 पूरा destroy हो गया. It collapsed beneath the surface of the sea, creating a huge underwater volcanic crater or hole. उसने एक huge underwater hole create कर लिया. The hole was more than 6 kilometers wide. इतना बड़ा सा hole खड्डा हो गया था. Okay, so this is due to the volcanic eruption in the Krakatoa. So it collapsed beneath the surface of the sea. Surface of the sea के surface पे collapse हो गया, गिर गया. उसने create a huge underwater volcanic crater. Underwater एक hole बना लिया, इतना wide कि वो 6 किलोमीटर wide था. more than that. Such a big, we can say, volcanic eruption. So always in this place, Krakatoa, this is the island. Always it is the active volcano place. It is known as the active volcano place because in this island, volcano is erupted regularly. That's why it is called as active volcano eruption place. Okay. So this is about the volcano and types of volcanoes. In next period, we will continue this lesson. Okay. Understood? So what is your homework? Your homework is read the lesson and a Krakatoa. Homework is the lesson on a track. So read it. We will continue the remaining portion of this lesson in next period. Understood? Okay. So here we will stop. Bye.